You won't believe this was made with free AI. This is motion cloning and you can do it in minutes. Forget Kling and Higgs field. This method is easier. Alright, now so what you'll be needing now is you'll go to your Google search Chrome and you type one.video and just type one.video, the link pops up. The icon is like this purple thing over there in case you see multiple options. So when you tap on that, you obviously, just like every site, you'll be requested to sign up. So when you sign up with your preferred Google account. So when you're done with that, you have this kind of interface, right? And again, as always, I'm using the desktop option. You can choose to use the mobile view if that works better for you, but I recommend you use the desktop option. So you can work, because I even remember when I tried the mobile, it didn't work. So it's either you're using it on a laptop, on a desktop, or using the desktop view on your mobile. Yeah. So when you scroll to the side, as you can see, I just swipe to the side. You see this option called avatar. You tap on that. You try now in front of it. You tap on that. That's try now. I've already signed in, so that's why I didn't have to go through that process. But if you're using for the first time, you have to sign in. So as you can see, some other production that I made here. Now each production duration maximum is 15 seconds. So if you have a video that you want to clone, right, that is more than 15 seconds, it will have to trim it. So it's either you trim it yourself with your video editing app in 15 seconds batch. So you just upload straight up and clone in batches, and then you stitch together with your video editing app, or you allow it to trim it for you from here. All right. Now, first things first, before we come back here, is that it's assumed that you already have the image. What you'll be needing the image of whatever character that you want, probably the character that you want to use in your music video, or of yourself if you choose to. Just like as I'm using my own brand 3D Pixar avatar here, I can decide to use the realistic too if I want. I just choose to use this CD for a reason. So you're going to need the picture that which can generate on Nano Banana for accuracy of what you want. Then you'll now need the video that you want to clone. Now there are two ways to it. Is either you use your real live video if you can do whatever it is that you need, or like this one that I did, I downloaded the video from TikTok. You'll be seeing that in a moment. I downloaded the video from TikTok. Right, so that video is a dance video, like all those trending dance video. I downloaded that separately. I Then I had this my own image generated on Nano Banana. You'll be uploading that image and that video that you want to clone. So the idea is that you will animate that image that you've generated to clone the movement or lip syncing, as the case may be, that is being done in the video. Right, so watch. Now when you get to this interface, let me zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. I don't want the video to be too long. And I also want to, so when you zoom into the top here, you see this create all, and you tap on that, you see a drop down there, you see a video image avatar. So choose avatar. So when you're able to see that, you see this option of avatar. If it's not an avatar, make sure you set it to avatar before you do anything. So this part where you have speech to video. If you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips. Drop a comment letting me know what you're creating with this tool. I'd love to hear your ideas. You tap on that. Yeah. So you see the three options: character, swap, photo, animate. So the one you're choosing is photo animate. Okay. This portion where you have standard, you have pro. I recommend you use standard so you don't get things complicated. So for this part, you see that that's character image. You upload. You see the upload from device. So I will choose the image I want and I'll be right back. You also do so for the other part of it where you choose the video that I told you that has been downloaded, or the one that you made of yourself. If you're a dancer, for example, if you've done a video of yourself dancing in a particular way that you want your character in the video to dance, that video is what you upload in the other side. So I've uploaded the image here. So now it's time to upload the video that I want to clone. That is just a picture. So I will upload the video I want to clone and I'll be right back. Alright, now so I've chosen the video I want. So while it's loading, it's going to give a pop. This is what's going to come up. You're going to have something like this. It's going to tell you that whatever the length, because the length is more than 15 seconds, the duration. So it's going to crop it to 15 seconds, which is the maximum it can go at a time for free plan. So you'll be asked to confirm. You tap on confirm right here and then it loads. So after loading, you will notice here, this is the send button. Now you have the option of either using your coins. To generate with coins is faster, if you're not generating without quite, it takes a couple of minutes, probably roughly 5 minutes or less max. Or it can be less. Actually, they usually write 5 minutes, but it can be less, right? So, but it's just gonna take a while. Well, it's not that long time like that. It'll generate. So, but most of the time, if you check in, you're only giving just 10 coins, and what you need to generate a single video, I think, is 20 coins. So, for how long are you going to gather that together? That is just do your mind using the free, and then just decide to be patient. So, like I said, you will tap on that send sign, and then it will pop up at the top here, loading to a really purple screen kind of view at the top somewhere here, just above the last one that you generated, right? So after it's now done generating, it will be showing like all these ones that you can see here. So let's say I tap on this one, which is one I used. It was one I actually used, as you can see. Let me zoom in so you can see. Sorry. So you can see that was what I used here. So this is the picture that I used. This is the video that I used, and it says it was 15 seconds. Let's see what it looked like. So I could just tap on it. Now, if you're not hearing the sound, it means it has been muted. So you go down here where you see the volume icon, you tap on it. See? Perfect. So exactly as the original. I will try and show you what the original video looked like, so you see what I'm talking about. You see camera work. Now the next thing now, let me wait. The next thing now is not for you to download. You slide down and you zoom in a bit to all the way up. You can see the what do you call it now? The download button. So you tap on download. Sorry. Tap on download. Then you see the options to download with watermark and without watermark. Of course, we all know it's going to be VIP. So that's basically all that you need. So let me see if I can show you the original video. Thanks for sticking around. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to learn even more, hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video.